And then we'll start next stream, next time we do creative levels with dodgeball. Alright. It's a good way to end. Well, I'll just say it now. So we got one more on the list, right? NPGG wants us to play his sewer level, which looks pretty cool. Question for you guys. How do we feel about retrying my Kaizo?
Oh my god.
After this level?
Hell no, man. What the fuck?
We will stay. Alright, let's see what we got here. Box got off the mad emoticon last second. Oh, that was hilarious. That was actually so funny. Okay, this looks sick. Gotta beware of grabbers for sure. Also, it's kind of trippy jumping on moving boxes. Like that. It's kind of difficult. Whoa. Ooh. Who's left? Okay. Let me cook. Never let me cook again. Never let me cook again in my entire wretched life. Do not let me cook. Repeats, yes. Never let that man cook. That's a good level, though. It's simple but effective, in my opinion. It's just, and this isn't MPGG. Started. That's my bad. Oh. Okay. I'm cooking.
Yeah, boy.
I need to just stop saying that. Ah, Burger had to go for it. Bro burned the house down. Trazodone. I'm familiar. I'm familiar. This is a fun level. Oh, rest in peace, Cyrus. Oh, that's karma. Alright. How there's like an 8-month gap in my live streaming. It's because like I never used to stream, never liked it, never cared to do it. I just did it out of like, I felt like obligation, if I'm being honest with you. And then summer came and I'm like, you know, I'm gonna like challenge myself to live stream more. And now I like genuinely enjoy it and look forward to it. But that's also mostly just because like you guys tune in. Like not trying to sound like completely cheesy, but like that's honestly why. Okay. This is the longest I've ever survived this level. That should tell you about how bad I am at it. Whoa, whoa. I'm gonna go for it. Yeah. That was easier than I thought it would be. And then I do that. Okay, guys. Tagger. How we need to make a list of like all the chat lore. Well, basically, whenever you use that command, I'll just say one little piece of info that's chat. When? Another piece of chat lore is Slime Climb 3, if we remember that. Okay, I think Endstone. I'm just gonna pretend that didn't happen. It grabbed me last time, so I'm gonna remember that. I don't know why I suck so bad at this level. in right now? Why am I locked in? I guess you guys might say chat lore is me telling bad jokes. I would word it a little differently and say telling good jokes. But, you know, to each their own, I guess. Okay, that was lucky. I'm trying to read at the same time, and it's not going well. Vile. And I'm gonna do it. The ultimate face reveal. Like, ultimate. Yeah, if Mr. Beast gives me a shout out, we can do the face reveal tonight. There it is. Whoa, 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 whoa! Brutal levitate moment. Brutal hacks moment. Brutal truly defied gravity on that one.